Are you looking for the best garage heaters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best garage heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Dr. Infrared Heater Heavy Duty Garage Heater. This powerful 240-volt compact garage heater is an excellent all-around choice for most spaces, delivering 7,500 watts of heating power. Designed for versatility, it can be mounted on the wall or ceiling, making it ideal for garages, workshops, and other unheated buildings. According to the manufacturer, this heater can warm a typical garage to between 50 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. For safety, it should be installed with at least 1 foot of clearance from combustible surfaces. The heater features adjustable louvers that allow you to direct warm air precisely where it's needed most. It also comes with a remote-controlled thermostat for convenient temperature adjustments. For those who prefer a different control option, a wall-mounted thermostat is available separately. Key specs. Type: electric, forced air. Heat output: 25,591 BTUs. Installation: hardwired. Size: 15 by 19 by 13 inches. Weight: 26 pounds. This heater combines efficiency and convenience, making it a reliable solution for keeping your garage or workspace comfortable. Number 2. Dyna-Glo Electric Garage Heater with Thermostat. Thanks to its wide range of temperature settings, this garage heater from Dyna-Glo is our top recommendation for all-season use. It offers 15 different settings for heating or cooling spaces between 50 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit and includes a fan-only mode for those hot summer days. This heater has 2 power settings, 7,500 and 10,000 watts, making it capable of heating areas up to 1,000 square feet. For added convenience, it comes with a remote control and features adjustable angles for both horizontal and vertical airflow, allowing you to direct warmth exactly where it's needed. To enhance safety, the unit is equipped with a caution indicator light that warns when it's getting close to overheating. Key specs. Type: electric, forced air. Heat output: 25,589 to 34,121 BTUs. Installation: hardwired. Size: 18.3 by 20 by 18.2 inches. Weight: 49 pounds. With its versatile temperature settings and powerful heating capabilities, the Dyna-Glo garage heater is a reliable choice for keeping your space comfortable year-round. Number 3. NewAir Portable Electric Garage Heater. For those seeking a powerful and portable heating solution, this 5,600-watt garage heater from NewAir is a top pick. It's capable of warming spaces up to 600 square feet and features a 6-foot cord that conveniently wraps into a coil on top of the unit, secured by brackets for neat storage. The heater's fan offers 2 settings. Automatic activates only when the heating element is on. Continuous keeps air circulating even when the heating element is off. The continuous mode is ideal for spaces with high ceilings or when using an air cleaning appliance like a benchtop air filter, as it helps push dusty air through more efficiently. Key specs. Type: infrared, fan. Heat output: 19,107 BTUs. Installation: plug-in. Size: 11 by 10.5 by 14 inches. Weight: 16.6 pounds. With its powerful performance and practical features, the NewAir portable garage heater is a versatile choice for keeping your workspace warm and comfortable. Number 4. HeatStorm Smart Outdoor Heater. With Wi-Fi capability, this garage heater offers the convenience of remote operation, allowing you to control it from virtually anywhere. Use the app to turn the unit on or off and set recurring schedules, ensuring your garage is warm when you get home or ready for your next project at the workbench. This heater is designed to warm areas up to 1,000 square feet with an adjustable output of up to 20,000 BTUs. It can be mounted on the wall or ceiling for flexible installation options. The unit also features a large digital temperature display that's easy to read, even from a distance. However, for its price point, it's a bit disappointing that the wiring isn't included. Key specs. Type, infrared. Heat output, 20,000 BTUs. Installation, hardwired. Size, 21.3 by 10 by 16 inches. Weight, 20.2 pounds. With its smart capabilities and efficient heating performance, this Wi-Fi-enabled garage heater is a convenient choice for keeping your space warm. Just keep in mind the additional cost for wiring. Number 5. Briza Infrared Patio Heater. Originally designed for outdoor spaces like patios, the Briza heater also performs exceptionally well in garages thanks to its dust-resistant properties. It comes with an adjustable tripod that can be set between 44 and 84 inches tall, offering flexibility in positioning. Switching between the heater's 3 heat settings, 900, 1200, or 1500 watts, is simple with the included remote control. For safety, the Briza heater features a built-in safety sensor that automatically shuts off the unit if it tips over. Additionally, a timer function allows you to set the heater to turn off automatically after 1 to 9 hours, providing both safety and energy savings. Key specs. Type, infrared. Heat output, 5,000 BTUs. Installation, plug-in. Safety listing, not listed. Size, 35.5 by 4 by 4 inches. Weight, 17.2 pounds. With its versatile design and thoughtful safety features, the Briza infrared heater is a practical choice for both outdoor and garage use.